How to change Apple ID password if forgotten. So if you want to change your Apple ID password if forgotten, then what you need to do is just watch this video. So if you're trying to log in or resetting your password is the best solution, first you need to open up your settings application. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down a bit, and then you need to navigate to the option of Face ID and password. Once you do that, you need to enter your password. After that, you need to scroll down again, and then you need to tap on Stolen Device Protection. Once you tap on that, you need to turn this off. Once you turn this off, now you can go back to the next step, but you may have a security delay of an hour. So if it says like that, then you need to come back after an hour and turn this off. Once you turn this off, you need to go back and swipe all the way to the bottom, and here you will have this kind of interface. Tap on your Apple ID. Once you tap on your Apple ID, you need to then navigate to sign in and security option. Under that, you will see an option of change password. Tap on change password and then enter your iPhone's password, and you'll be able to change your password. You can enter your new password and then retype a new password. Make sure to use at least one capital letter and a number of special characters, and that's it. You've successfully changed your Apple ID password without remembering your old password. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.